Scientists have raised hopes around a new blood test which they say could help identify signs of dementia much sooner. Tests currently rely on overstretched staff and equipment, meaning many patients never get diagnosed. Our health correspondent Rebecca Barry is here. Early days, but this could be hugely significant.
Yeah, dementia is actually the leading cause of death in the UK, but around a third of people don't get a diagnosis, or many others can be left waiting a year or more to try and get answers about their symptoms. In recent years, there has been real progress towards potential treatments, but of course, people will only be able to benefit from those if they get early, accurate diagnosis. Now, a scientific trial has begun, which some are describing as a seminal moment in the diagnosis of dementia. Around 3,000 people across the UK will receive blood tests. They're people who are concerned about their memory. Scientists from the universities of Oxford and Cambridge are hoping to gather enough evidence that a dementia blood test might be available on the NHS in the next 5 years. The technology already exists. Blood biomarker tests can detect proteins in the blood, which can provide evidence to suggest whether somebody already has a disease or they're at risk of developing it. The problem is, what's missing is the evidence that it really works out there in the real world. Current tests are brain scans and lumbar punctures. They're time-consuming, they're invasive. So it's easy to see why this far more less expensive, less invasive solution could really transform things.